Okay, so I'm really excited because I completely forgot about this happening, but um, I want to say like a week ago, there was some photos put. I belong to this Facebook group called Delta Skymiles or something like that. It's like a group for people who are Delta Skymiles, and I'm a huge fan of Delta, and so I'm part of this Facebook group, and it's basically just like questions on like if you have questions about Delta Skymiles and stuff like that. So recently I hit Silver Medallion because I did a few trips this year for filming and Grandma's Cookies, which was my short film that's playing, and it just screened. So anyways, there were some pictures that were posted about Delta going to Pride, I believe in Salt Lake City. And there was these like cool Delta shirts. And I had mentioned how I thought the shirts were really cool because I was a gay guy, and I was like, oh God, what a great shirt. I'd love something like that. Well, Delta Marketing actually reached out to me and asked for my address, and apparently they sent the shirt. But I forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. So it just arrived right now from Delta. You can't see because of this is here. But anyways, this is from Delta. And so I'm going to open it because I am beyond excited. I put my glasses on. I'm beyond excited because it just arrived, and I was like confused because I was like, what the hell am I getting from Delta? But if it is what I think it is, it should be the shirt from Pride. But I have to take all this paper off. So I can't tell you how excited I am because I want to wear this shirt because it's still Pride Month. They have this big, and they asked my size. Sorry, you guys. This tape is good job taping this Delta. Okay. So there's a paper here. Oh, hold on. There's a note here, I think. Oh my God, I just stored the paper. I'm sorry, Delta. Oh no, it just says what's up. Okay, it just says in the box. Yeah, I asked for an extra large, because with my mom dying last year, I got really depressed, so I was eating my feelings. So I got an extra large, but that's okay. I'm still excited about this shirt. Oh my God, this box is amazing. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my God. Okay, here. There's a note. Oh my God. I want to cry. Oh my God. So so they got this card here. It says, love that you want to show your pride as we come together to celebrate being one's true self. Thank you for being a special part of the Skymiles Life Facebook group fam, your friends at Delta. I am in tears. I am literally in tears. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got to get my tablet because I got to get a picture of this because I have to post this. This is amazing. Oh my God. You guys, I'm literally in tears right now. I wasn't even expecting this. Like, I just been having like just a day, just working and taking care of stuff, and to just be able to have this moment. Oh my God, I'm so elated right now. You have to stay with me. I'm on the phone. Sorry. But wow, let's clear this up. Oh, let make it look all pretty. But yeah, so I was just expecting a shirt. Like, I wasn't expecting a box of just like stuff. This is the most amazing thing. I can't begin to tell you how. Okay, I'm gonna turn this note so you can see. I can't begin to tell you how elated I am from Delta about doing this. But I'm gonna go do it in my bed. I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to pause because I had to take a photo of this because it was so perfect. But this is, so I put the note here, and now this box, and I see people get this box all the time, but oh my God. So they gave me this Life Miles. Oh my God. Living the Skymiles life. It's like a luggage tag. I cannot wait to use this because I have a trip coming up in July to Michigan for the screening of Grandma's Cookies, my short film. And then they gave me a hat. Oh my God, I'm going to wear this on set. I cannot wait to wear this on set. How exciting is this, you guys? And then the best part, biscotti cookies. Oh my God, this smells so good. Biscotti cookies. These are the best fucking things. And then look at this. Look at this. A charger set. A 3 charger set that I can use for my phone and my watch. Oh my God, I can't. I'm like literally in tears. Magnetic wireless charger. Look at this. Look at this. This is from Delta's marketing team. And then socks. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with these. I can't wait. These Delta socks. What a great color. And then the Pride shirt. The pièce de résistance. Look at this. Look at this. It says Pride in Flight. Delta. Pride. And it smells so good. Pride in Flight. This is the most unexpectedly amazing gift that I've ever gotten. I'm utterly beyond speechless. I don't even know how to begin. Wow. Thank you so much, Delta. I cannot wait to wear this. I cannot wait to show my support and pride. I am so grateful to be a Skymiles member. I'm so grateful to be Silver Medallion. I can't wait to get to gold and just keep flying with you guys. I cannot begin to tell you how this is the most touching thing. And for everything that I've gone through, and I'm kicking ass and trying to make everything happen this year in my life in honor of my mother who just passed. This is awesome. Thank you. Thank you.